So Mini announced the route for Mini Takes the States. Now, it's not really a route this year. They are picking 3 different locations that they're going to be doing a weekend event in. Now, Mini said they did this because people have said in the past that they don't have the time to commit to a full week-long or 2-week-long drive across the country. So Mini thought that they would try to create something a little bit different. The first one will be in California from October 2nd to October 4th. It starts in Monterey, goes to Sonoma, and ends at Lake Tahoe. Sounds like a pretty fun time. Might be one worth attending. The other route is a New York route, which starts October 23rd and goes to October 25th. That starts in Buffalo, New York, goes to Syracuse, and then from there to Lake Placid. Again, another fun route, and the time of year might be great. With the leaves and the temperatures, might be worth the trip. And then of course, route number 3 is in Florida. That is November 13th to November 15th and goes from Fort Myer to Miami, and then Miami to Key West. Should be an interesting drive as well, especially if you want to drive across the highway that goes to Key West. I mean, open ocean, that'd be kind of cool. But 3 different choices. Now, if you don't want to do Mini Takes the States, July 11th, the Mini 5280 Club in Colorado is going to be doing a drive from Mini of Loveland to Steamboat Springs. That is a 1-day event and a little bit more low-key, not going to be a week-long kind of thing that you would expect with Mini Takes the States. Now, the question is, which one am I doing? Am I going to do Florida? Am I going to do New York? Am I going to do California? Or am I going to skip all of those and do Colorado with the Mini 5280 Club? Well, I've looked at the different choices and I haven't made a decision yet. Well, I actually have, but I'm not going to tell you yet. You're just going to have to wait and find out. But I've really narrowed it down to either California or New York, but we'll see what happens and which direction I end up going. But here's the thing, there is some controversy about this. People have complained about the fact that it is not a cross-country drive like years past. The thing is, Mini doesn't really owe us an event every 2 years. They don't owe us this cross-country thing. They do this because they want to. If you look at past Mini Takes the States, there have been a few where they were done with a regional, like one corner, one corner, one corner kind of thing. They weren't necessarily done as a cross-state rally. So there is some precedent to it. Now, given all the negative commentary on social media, I'm wondering if maybe people are just getting a little too bent out of shape about this whole thing and maybe just need to calm down and just accept the fact that they are giving this to us. They don't owe us anything, and it's gonna be a pretty fun event regardless. I mean, October in California, why not? October in New York, pretty scenery. Both have pretty scenery. I mean, all 3 locations are gonna be great as far as scenery goes, but it's just a matter of which one do you want to do? Or do you really want to try to do all 3? If you're adventurous enough and you want to do that, go for it. As for me, I don't necessarily have the time. But which one do you think I'm going to? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, life is too short to drive a boring car. So, drive a Mini.